Hey, what's going on, guys? I don't know about anybody else in the room, but I'm super excited about the 2022 Toyota Tundra. This redesign has been a long time coming, and man, is it needed. I like everything about it. From its twin-turbo V6 that should provide a marriage of EcoBoost power and Toyota reliability, to the fact it plays jump rope with the understated/gaudy line. So I was kind of bored this afternoon and thought I'd make a little mess in Photoshop and re-render the first official release photo in all current Toyota truck colors. Hopefully you like it.